Exploring the Mysteries of X-rays in Our Universe. Title: Exploring the Mysteries of X-rays in Our Universe. Introduction. The universe never ceases to astonish us with its mysteries. Amidst the vast expanse of space lies an intriguing phenomenon that has captivated scientists for over a century: X-rays. Initially disco. Barred by Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen in 1895, X-rays have revolutionized our understanding of the universe and continue to unveil new aspects of cosmic wonders. In this article, we will embark on a journey to explore the mysteries of X-rays in our universe. Discovery of X-rays. Wilhelm Röntgen's serendipitous discovery of X-rays marked a pivotal moment in scientific history. While experimenting with cathode rays, Röntgen noticed that a fluorescent screen placed nearby emitted a green glow. Intrigued, he hypothesized the presence of a new mysterious form of radiation. Through further experimentation, he unveiled a type of radiation that was later named X-rays. Röntgen's groundbreaking work earned him the first Nobel Prize in Physics in 1901. Nature of X-rays. X-rays are a form of high-energy electromagnetic radiation, lying between ultraviolet, UV, rays and gamma rays on the electromagnetic spectrum. Unlike visible light, X-rays are invisible to the human eye. They possess shorter wavelengths and higher frequencies, allowing them to penetrate matter and revealing hidden structures and processes. X-rays in the universe. X-rays are not only prevalent on Earth but also have a profound presence in the cosmos. The sources of X-rays in the universe range from celestial bodies to distant structures, shedding light on various astrophysical phenomena. Stellar X-ray sources. Stars of different sizes and stages of evolution emit X-rays, providing valuable insights into their internal processes. Young stars, for instance, exhibit X-ray emissions due to high-energy interact ions within their protoplanetary disks. Supernova remnants are another significant source of X-rays, resulting from the violent explosion of massive stars. X-ray binaries and black holes. X-ray binaries are systems consisting of a normal star and a compact object, such as a neutron star or a black hole. The gravitational interaction between the two objects causes the emission of X-ray. Unveiling the presence of these enigmatic entities. Black holes, known for their intense gravitational pull, devour nearby matter, releasing tremendous amounts of X-rays as the matter spirals into their event horizons. Galaxy clusters and active galactic nuclei. X-ray observations have also led to the discovery of fascinating phenomena within galaxy clusters. These clusters contain hot gas that emits X-rays due to its high temperatures. Moreover, active galactic nuclei, AGNs, have played a crucial role in X-ray astronomy. AGNs are powered by massive black holes at the centers of galaxies, generating intense X-rays as matter falls into their gravitational grasp. X-ray telescopes and missions. To explore the mysteries of X-rays in the universe, scientists have developed specialized telescopes and embarked on numerous space missions. Discoveries and insights. The observations conducted by X-ray telescopes have resulted in extraordinary discoveries and deepened our understanding of the universe. Researchers have uncovered pulsars, rapidly rotating neutron stars, through their X-ray emissions. X-ray observations have helped in mapping the distribution of dark matter within galaxy clusters, revealing its significance in the formation of cosmic structure. Furthermore, the study of X-rays has aided in characterizing the properties of black holes, unraveling their mysterious nature. Future prospects. With technological advancements, the future of X-ray astronomy appears promising. Innovative missions, such as the European Space Agency's Athena, are set to launch with improved capabilities to explore X-ray sources in unprecedented detail. These cutting-edge missions will enable scientists to delve deeper into the mysteries of black holes, study the origins of galaxies, and uncover the secrets of the early universe. X-ray astronomy has truly transformed our perception of the universe. From Wilhelm Röntgen's accidental discovery to the advanced telescopes and missions of today, X-ray observations have led to remarkable insights and discoveries. One of the fascinating aspects of X-rays is their ability to reveal hidden structures and processes. By penetrating matter, X-rays offer a unique perspective on celestial objects and phenomena. This is evident in the study of stars, where X-ray emissions provide valuable information about their internal mechanisms. Young stars, in particular, emit X-rays due to the energetic interactions occurring within their protoplanetary disks. Supernova remnants, on the other hand, offer a glimpse into the aftermath of explosive stellar deaths through their X-ray emissions. X-ray binaries and black holes represent another captivating area of study. X-ray binaries are intriguing systems that consist of a normal star and a compact object, such as a neutron star or a black hole. The gravitational interaction between these objects generates intense X-ray emissions, allowing scientists to detect and investigate these enigmatic entities. Black holes, with their voracious appetite for matter, create powerful X-ray sources as they consume nearby material. Galaxy clusters and active galactic nuclei provide further evidence of the prevalence of X-rays in the universe. In the case of galaxy clusters, the hot gas within them emits X-rays due to its incredibly high temperatures. Active galactic nuclei, powered by supermassive black holes at the hearts of galaxies, release intense X-ray radiation as they accrete matter. These observations have deepened our understanding of cosmic structures and the role of black holes in shaping our universe. To facilitate the investigation of X-rays, scientists have developed specialized telescopes and embarked on space missions. The Chandra X-ray Observatory, launched by NASA in 1999, has been a flagship mission in X-ray astronomy. Equipped with highly sensitive detectors, Chandra has provided stunning images and significant data, leading to groundbreaking discoveries. Moreover, other missions such as the European Space Agency's Athena offer even more advanced capabilities to explore X-ray sources in unprecedented detail. The discoveries resulting from X-ray observations have had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe. Pulsars, for example, were first discovered through their X-ray emissions. These idly rotating neutron stars emit regular pulses of X-rays, enabling scientists to identify and study them further. X-ray studies have also shed light on the distribution of dark matter within galaxy clusters, highlighting its crucial role in the formation of cosmic structures. Furthermore, X-rays have been instrumental in characterizing black holes, unraveling their mysterious nature and properties. Looking ahead, the future of X-ray astronomy is filled with promise. Advances in technology and the launch of innovative missions, like the Athena project, will enable scientists to delve even deeper into the mysteries of X-rays. By studying black holes, deciphering the origins of galaxies, and exploring the secrets of the early universe, researchers hope to unravel the remaining enigmas of our cosmic existence. Epilogue. The journey to explore the mysteries of X-rays in our universe has been a remarkable one. From the accidental discovery by Wilhelm Röntgen to the cutting-edge telescopes and missions of today, X-ray